what makes for a perfect opener? In my mind, it would have a few things. First, it would be fast. It's really fast. You want to establish credibility right away. Second, it's visually driven. It's not intellectual. It's not a mentalist effect. It's got to brood about a lot. It's something that happens fast, something that's very visual, something that if you're going to work for real people, you want, and let's say you're working a gig in a bar or a party or whatever, it's always nice when you can do something for people and the other people from 10, 15, 20 feet away can see magic happening. Just whatever's going on, it looks like magic. If it can also involve a borrowed object, but again, you don't want to do a complicated thing with a borrowed object, but if it can be something simple and direct with the borrowed object, what's great about that is immediately establish credibility as a real magician, okay, because you're doing something with a borrowed object. Visual, fast, something with a borrowed object, and something where you end clean. If you can early in your set right away establish a real air of authenticity, of fairness, and about cleanliness, about everything you do, then later on in your set, when you got the dirty deck, or you're palming cards or coins or whatever, there's less apt to be heat there. The image itself of the thin paper, whether you're using a dollar bill or a napkin or a takeout menu or a page from a book, whatever you're using, the thin strip of paper combined with a large heavy object, that moment where it dangles there shouts magic in a way that a lot of effects in magic do not. For all those reasons, zero gravity is a perfect opening effect.